Hi, this is part 20 of the tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about add metadata in a rule. There are some scenarios after a user call an external API, they want to add the response into their metadata. So let's back to the auth0 dashboard. I've already added those metadata code into the request response. I just add some dummy data into both app metadata and user metadata. The first two lines is to define the metadata just in case it's undefined. And after that, I set up dummy metadata and then update them into auth0. Now let's have a try. And then you will see both the information is added into the metadata. So yeah, that's everything for a rule. In the next tutorial, we will quickly brief how hooks works in your flow. Thank you for watching.